So, I'm getting my dentist screening tomorrow. You know what? Let me get an actual grade to this and knowing with the title of my dentist screening. So, before I will say, three-financial warning for Antonio County. I didn't miss that EAS, but I'm trying to get that alert.
Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Saratoga County, east central New York, southwestern Washington County, and east central New York.
Audio Angel got the first warning of the day.
New York until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 3:46 p.m. Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Country Road near Clinton Park, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Radar indicated. No damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Saratoga Springs, Chinook, Round Lake, Hudson Mills, Rose, Malton, Easton, Water, Salt, Corners, Sheridan Manor, Wingfield, Elnora, and Hall's Corner. For your protection, move to an interior wall. Building. Repeat, a severe
But the store
thunderstorm
warning has
has
it.
been issued until 4:45 p.m. Following counties in New York, Rensselaer, Saratoga, and Washington. And now the hour.
Yeah, that's the first EAS today. One is after reaches New England, Rensselaer, Saratoga, and Washington. So, I'm going to have to put every channel only for today on channel 2. And then I'll wait to channel 4, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, blah, 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 stuff like that. Because this is going to be an absolute craziness unlike any other. Get ready. This is the welcoming to Astro Creations in Olympia 39. Dentist storms. And now, while I'm making this video, you look at this. On a word that we hadn't had gone through. So, here are my radios. Most of the radios today will be on channel 2. And the ones that are going to be on channel 2, WX68, are going to be the WR120. The Midwind WR300. The Midwind HH54, which is going to be the best reception. The Recom. And the 74-200. They will all be on channel 2. But there are 2 mix-ups. The first mix-up is that this one, I put it on the random channel, so I put it on channel 1. That's the MD319. Because I have no way to get that alert. And to get the other model alerts, I have the Midwind WR100. Alright guys, let's go. Okay, I'm going to count this. While I was sleeping, there was a flash flood warning. And also while I was sleeping, they have issued a flood warning. And my WR120 still has this flood warning scroll. What? Okay. The time I is 4:50. Well, I'm gonna go there. So, I'm gonna try to get some more challenge. warm today. It's so good today. I'm ready to get ready. One of the biggest appetite. Here we go. Alright. We'll see you in a little bit.
Hey. Severe thunderstorm watch number 584, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Here.
This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, and Litchfield, and the following counties in Massachusetts.
Let's sit right there in that chair.
Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, and Worcester.
And you can watch the sister.
A severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
So he's not going to hurt it, see?
Yeah.
In close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A strong thunderstorm will impact portions of northwestern Hampshire. Following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin and Hampshire, following counties in Vermont, Addison, Bennington, Rutland, Wyndham and Windsor, in Cheshire, New Hampshire. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including long range in close to the watch area. Severe weather may not warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or severe weather information. Flood watch. Southwest winds around 80 miles per hour. Weather shower recognizing thunderstorms in the evening. PM for the following counties in Massachusetts, Essex, Franklin, Middlesex, and Worcester. In the following counties in New Hampshire, Belknap, Carroll, Cheshire, Grafton, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford and Sullivan, and Wyndham, Vermont. The National Weather Service has issued severe watch number 584, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: York, Maine, and the following counties in New Hampshire: Belknap, Carroll, Cheshire, Grafton, Hillsborough, Merrimack, Rockingham, Stratford and Sullivan, and the following counties in Vermont: Orange, Wyndham and Windsor, and the following counties in Massachusetts: Essex, Franklin, Middlesex, and Worcester. Remember, the one at Worcester. Here are some options are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The report from Ledge Light was not available. The following are coastal weather shore reports on Long Island Sound is available. As of noon at Mount Sinai, temperature was 75 degrees. Wind was southwest at 9 miles an hour. At Norwalk, wind was southwest at 6 miles an hour. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 584, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Connecticut, Hartford, and Litchfield. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable. Severe weather, including large damaging winds, in close to the watch area. television outlets or internet sources. Weather information. The offshore.
Alright, so now here's something I have. Which one? Now, let's get the other. Oh, wait a second. Oh, yeah. Of course, yeah. I don't do that. Let's get the other alerts. Let's get the other stations. We have to get to KW 35 now. The only up to station that did not activate is it looks like WXM80. Yes, WXM80 did not go off for the SBA because it only includes Orange and Putnam counties in New York. So, and no, do not. Let's try to go to weather email box. Let's show you what did activate. Whew. Wow. New York, Orange, Putnam, Albany. And there is a severe federal warning for Golden on Harkman. I cannot get that because I was already. The SBA for Litchfield County, Berkshire County, and the other areas. There's even a Bennington SBA for Sullivan. That will get WXO 37 the alert. The Pike as well. WX no. WXO 39. We're gonna move on quickly because there's still a lot more. I'm also gonna give KHB 35 this one. There is Hartford, Connecticut, and Essex, Frankfort, Hampton, Hampshire, Middlesex, Suffolk, and Worcester in Massachusetts. But it also does include the Boston Harbor, and I missed Paw Patrol the movie. Well, I did cut a little bit of the credits. It also does include Boston Harbor. It also well, I may see it next day. We will have to see. Also, WXL 39 got this. Sussex Point and Berkshire County in Northampton. Let's go to Pittsburgh. And there's nothing. Let's actually also go now towards the next one. And that is going to be the Great State College. They have WXL 40 activated. So, I also want to tell WXL 34 and WXM 45 also activated for the SBA. So, lots of stations. Even though I'm not going to get the online ones, I'm still counting them all. Herkimer County, WXM 44 time. Herkimer County, and this is going to till 2 o'clock. Let's get it.
Tropical weather outlook. During the off-season, special tropical weather outlooks will be. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ilion, Herkimer, Little Falls, Mohawk, Frankfort, Dilljamil, Newport, Middleville, Jordanville, Fairfield, West Frankfort, Beaverville, Corrado Corners, Farrell Corner, Countryland, North Ilion, Burrell Corners, South Ilion, Kelly Corners, and Shed Corners. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Herkimer, New York.
First severe thunderstorm watch of the day. Actually, this is the only FBA of the day. You can see it be Severe Thunderstorm watch. But I got my first Severe Thunderstorm warning of the day. Freshman warning for Herkimer.
At 1:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch is feasible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected.
Here you go.
Flash flooding of small creeks and streams,
Go back to
areas,
the start.
highways, streets,
Can't.
underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kirkman, Newport, Midville, Poland, Fairfield, Norway, Old City, Countryman, Cary Corners, Cat Bridge, Eatonville, Midland Corners, Irish Settlement, Dillebeck Corners, Beacon White Corners, Farrell Corner, Kelly Corners, Johnson Corners, Cheap Corners, and Hill Corners. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Yeah. Flash flood warning! County. Okay. I know this is really weird, but why did you get Addison County? Doesn't matter. No.
Boston reported 76. Hartford.
Does Addison remember this? Okay. So we got first say cool. Alright.
Weybridge, North Hudson, Owl's Head Bay, Benson Bay, Giards Bay, and Fidmill Point. Leave from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Vermont, Addison and Wetwood, and Essex, New York. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Yeah. Princess VR for bivocal stations.
Effect until 8 p.m. this evening. For this afternoon and tonight, please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.com. Building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Otsego, New York.
Albany.
Warning in effect until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Replaces flood advisory. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Portion of eastern New York, including the following counties: Fulton, Herkimer, and Montgomery. When? Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impact: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 3:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Trained weather spotters reported washed out roads in Frankfurt due to heavy rain from flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Ilion, Herkimer, Little Falls, Mohawk, Frankfurt, Georgeville, Jordanville, Oppenheim, Elizabethtown, Jacksonburg, Fort Herkimer, East Herkimer, Essex, James Hollow, Days Rock, Deck, showers in corners of Newville. http://weather.gov/safety/August 11th to Thursday, August 17th. Don't drown while encountering flooded roads. Above normal precipitation. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Temperatures across central Pennsylvania during this period range from the upper 70s over the Allegheny Mountains to the mid-80s across the lower Susquehanna Valley. In effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central Nevada counties. Across the lower Susquehanna Valley. Here are the 3 p.m. conditions in
Command 1, Engine 8, respond to 293 Walnut Street. Medical assistance.
Southeast at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29, 91 inches and falling. In York, it was partly...
WXL 40. I don't know why you are expecting it not to go off.
29.93 inches and falling. Now, a few other local conditions.
Here we go.
78, Erie, sunny 77, Scranton cloudy 76. Now some conditions to the south. Washington, D.C. partly sunny 81, Baltimore partly sunny 80. Once again, in Harrisburg it was 81 degrees under partly sunny skies. In New York, it was 79 degrees under partly sunny skies. This is NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards station WXL 40, serving the lower Susquehanna
WXL 40.
is originating from the National Weather Service and State College. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: Dauphin, Julietta, Harry, and Scoopville. Severe thunderstorm watch 584 in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. For this afternoon and tonight, please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov/State College on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Severe thunderstorm watch. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Severe thunderstorms with damaging winds 60 miles per hour or greater and large hail exceeding 1 inch in diameter are possible in a few spots Monday afternoon or early evening. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: Cumberland, Lancaster, and York. For this afternoon and tonight, strong thunderstorms with gusty winds and small hail are possible this afternoon or early evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Saturday through Thursday. Severe thunderstorms with damaging winds 60 miles per hour or greater and large hail exceeding 1 inch in diameter are possible in a few spots Monday afternoon or early evening. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Severe thunderstorm watch 584 in effect until 8 p.m. this evening. For this afternoon and tonight, please listen to NOAA Weather Radio or go to weather.gov/State College on the internet for more information about the following hazards. Severe thunderstorm watch. And now the extended outlook for the period.
Let's get my weather radio. Let me get my weather radio. Oh, wait a second. My W120. Let's get the alert for Addison and Rutland. After failing catching an alert on WXL 40, I noticed it. Here we go. Okay. Whoa. Oh. So, here we go. New SBR for Century, Joanna.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Center, Juliana, Mifflin, Snyder, and Union.
Where is
The national
get it that?
eastern Minnesota at Rochester, a thunderstorm was. Route 584 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Litchfield, Connecticut.
Who's Sullivan again? Oh man, I'm gonna try to get that word. Okay, so I didn't get that word. I'm still gonna have to count it.
Nickel-sized hail, heavy rain.
Tornado warning continues for the Otisco area. That would have been there.
Weston, or 13 miles west of Cooperstown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. The tropical weather.
Stop!
You stop.
Montgomery significantly and Strawberry.
Consider seeking shelter inside a building. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Central New York. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Connecticut County, New York, northern Schoharie County, and East Central New York, southwestern Montgomery County, and eastern New York until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cherry Valley, 10 miles southwest of Canada, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intense hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Cobblestone, Dranesburg, Middleburg, Richmondville.
Just wait in my Nintendo Switch, power supply, games, and console. No.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Montgomery, Schenectady, and Schoharie. Warning for East Central Oneida County is
Ready to get started, and now I finally caught a severe thunderstorm warning for Sullivan County, New York. Oh, I caught a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery, Schenectady, and Schoharie on WXL 34 and WXM 45.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Northwood, or 14 miles from Weather Service. Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Hamilton County in eastern New York, northern Fulton County in eastern New York, central Herkimer County in eastern New York, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m.
We need to go now.
a severe
Alright, Windsor. Let me try to get it. Even though I cannot get it, I already get it. I already got it. Even though I didn't get it, I'm actually not going to. I'm actually going to count it.
Liberty, Bethel, Navesink, South
Sullivan's
Alsburg,
Oven.
Jeffersonville, Parksville, Swan Lake, Loch Sheldrick, and Hurleyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Sullivan, New York. And now the hourly.
Keep me in Coast Guard. What the? Oh, Albany Green, so to me. The extra 34. There goes the X24 activation.
National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fulton County, central New York, central Green County, central New York, southern Schuylkill County, central New York, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Summit, or 10 miles southwest of Kowalskill, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Wyndham, Gilboa, Summit, Livingstonville, North Blenheim, Brakeline, Preston Potter Hollow, Preston Hollow, Durham, Rensselaerville, Ashland, Collinsville, West Settlement, Bear Corners, Maple Crest, Broome Center, West Fulton, Sunside, and Arabia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Albany, Greene, and Schoharie. The National
Yeah! Severe thunderstorm warnings as we're approaching Olympia. Trying to get it. Winter.
Note: most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Following counties in Connecticut.
Alright! Now, we arrived at Olympia with a flash flood warning for wetland and Windsor. Windsor!
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Mount Carmel, Danville, Culpmont, Ashland, Eliasburg, Riverside, Catawissa, Light Street, Alameda, Lavelle, and Fernville. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Milton Williamsport and Berwick Lime Ridge exits, specifically from mile markers 214 to 237. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Olympia, Montour, Northumberland, and Schuylkill.
To be asked before you go on.
My brother's in there.
Oh, no, but are you both playing tonight? I'll just check you both out then. Thank you.
To be extra 34.
Central Schoharie County in east central New York until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Your thunderstorm was located near Middleburg.
EAS number 700.
East at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Westerlo, Bern, Middleburg, Schoharie, Knox, Rensselaerville, East Bern, Chafelt Corners, West Bern, Huntersland, Old Stone Ford, Reedsville, Vinepunten, Mineral Springs, Raymond's Corners, Barnerville, Helderberg, Zuck's Corners, Snyder's Corners, and Watsonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, and Schoharie.
Wednesday's down there too, right? No, I posted.
Guess what, folks? Let's get. Wait a second. Let's see. Windsor, folks.
It doesn't look too far off from my kitchen, and honestly, we were just talking about, I was talking about it with Vinny, and it's like,
Washington! Yes! Alright. Can I get the special movie warning?
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Sullivan County in central New Hampshire until 5:15 p.m. EDT. At 4:21 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Charlestown, or 8 miles southwest of Claremont, and figure moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Claremont and Figure, Charlestown, Newport, Grantham, Cornish, Leominster, Ackworth, Goshen, Croydon, Sunapee, Unity, Springfield, and Washington. This includes Interstate 89 between mile markers 37 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire until 6:45 p.m. EDT. At 5:42 p.m. EDT, a severe thunderstorm was located over Charlestown, or 7 miles south of Claremont and Figure, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Claremont and Figure, Charlestown, Bradford, Newport, Leominster, Ackworth, Goshen, Sunapee, Unity, and Washington. Precautionary preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Gray has issued a flash flood warning for west central Sullivan County in central New Hampshire until 11:30 p.m. EDT Friday. At 5:26 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms, producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Claremont and Figure, Charlestown, Newport, Leominster, Goshen, Croydon, and Unity. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks.
From the National Weather Service for Hamden, Hampshire, Franklin, and Berkshire County until 8 o'clock tonight. We're keeping a close eye on these storms off to our west. We've still got some lightning going. You can see recent lightning strikes just to the west of Berkshire County, between the Hudson River and the Berkshires here in New York State. And some heavier showers have started to push into the Berkshires as well. I'm going to zoom out the view here and show you that there is still a severe thunderstorm warning for this storm right here that is fairly close to the Berkshires. The warning does not include Berkshire County, but this is just to give you an indication that while there's nothing happening here, and you might be thinking, what is Lapis talking about? We haven't had shower activity and some storm activity not too far to our west that could eventually get in here for the early to mid-evening hours. So if you have outdoor plans for this evening, keep a close eye on the radar on the 22 News app, and also the 22 News app is great because it will alert you to any advisories or warnings should they pop up. So we'll keep an eye on this. Optimistically, I have noticed that these storms have weakened a bit as they've moved farther to the south and to the east, but nonetheless, there still is active lightning with these storms and still the potential for some downpours, some damaging wind, and obviously the lightning can be a problem as well. You can see it's like this little chain of scattered showers and thunderstorms from Vermont into Pennsylvania. So this has to pivot through us, and as the sun gets lower in the sky, we're optimistic that it will become weaker and the clearing line is not too far away either. So, if you're, by the way, I should mention the fact that the Starfires are in the middle of a doubleheader right now, but there is the chance for some showers and some thunder and lightning here through about 8, 9 o'clock. So keep that in mind if you're going to game 2 of the doubleheader tonight. 74 at 6 o'clock, 68 at 9 o'clock. Then we go into tomorrow. Littleville Fair is happening this weekend, and a beautiful day for the fair tomorrow. 65 degrees if you're going to be at the gate early tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. 65 and sunshine, 83, mostly sunny at 4 o'clock. And of course, the Pecumtuck Homelands Festival is happening tomorrow. Unity Park in Turner's Falls. This is also a Saturday and Sunday event. Weather's great tomorrow, 11 a.m., 75 degrees and sunshine, 83 at 4 o'clock. And yes, the Fiesta Patronalis de Holyoke happening at Heritage State Park in Holyoke. This also happening tonight, tomorrow, and it should be a great day for this tomorrow. Sunshine at 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 81 degrees. By the way, the event runs 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. at Heritage State Park. Sunshine, setting sunshine at 8 o'clock, and temperatures in the 70s. So here's our 22 News Storm Team.
Alright. This will conclude this After Craziness in New England. I hope everyone has a nice day, and we'll see you on the next After Craziness in New England.